let's take a quick review of adjectives. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to add something to its meaning. Or you can say the word used to qualify or describe a noun or a pronoun. They are known as adjective. Or in very short, you can say that adjective is a describing word. It is used before a noun. It is placed before a noun. Sometimes you can also place adjective after the auxiliary verb. All in all, you can say that adjective are the words that describes a noun or a pronoun. It is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. If you say Jatin is a clever boy, what kind of a boy Jatin is? Clever boy. So this word describes Jatin. Okay? So adjective is a word used before a noun to add something to its meaning. It can be placed before a noun as well as a noun, right? So we have 8 kinds of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, distributive adjectives, and proper adjectives. So just have a glance on all these step by step. Adjective of quality is also known as descriptive adjective because it describes the quality of a noun. It is used to express the size, shape, color of a person, place, animal, or thing. Means all in all, you can say a noun because noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So it describes a noun. For example, if you say the boy was bright, so you are describing this boy. This is your auxiliary verb. So I said this word adjective can be placed after the auxiliary verb also, right? Is it clear? So if you say the tall and handsome boy is my brother, so what kind of boy your brother is? Tall and handsome. So all these words, they describes a noun. They tells the quality of a noun. Adjective of quantity, it describes the quantity of a noun. It answers to the question how much. When you want to know the answer, how much, it will answer you. All, enough, any, little, some, much, many. These are all your adjective of quantity. If you say there is enough water in the tank, how much water? Enough water. So all these words, much, no, enough, these are all your adjective of quantity. Is the concept clear? Adjectives of number. It describes a number of a noun. It answers to the question how many. Adjective of quantity was answering to the question how much, right? And number is answering how many. For example, see here, my neighbor has 2 cars. How many cars? 2 cars. I have 3 dogs. How many dogs? 3 dogs. They are answering to the question how many, right? It can be definite also. It can be indefinite. Cardinal numbers, when you're getting the exact number, that are known as the cardinal numbers. And ordinal numbers, which tells the order. Okay? So just see the difference between the adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Adjective of quantity, they are used with uncountable nouns. Okay, an adjective of number, they are used with the countable nouns. Nouns which you can count. For example, balls, pens, pencils, friends. And for the adjective of quantity, they are used with uncountable nouns. So can you count rice? No. Can you count sugar? No. Can you count milk? No. So the adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns and adjective of number is used with countable nouns. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, it indicates or points a particular noun. They point a particular noun. The answer to the question which, right? This, that, these, those, certain, such. These are all your demonstrative adjective. So if you say this mango is right, because you're pointing out, you're indicating a particular noun. Okay, this mango is right. These grapes are sour. That girl is my sister. So these are all your demonstrative adjectives. Okay? Interrogative adjectives, they are used with nouns to ask questions. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. What, which, whose, who. These are all your interrogative adjectives. Suppose if you want to ask, which house is yours? So you are asking, right? Which house? Time is it? Whose book is this? What time is by your watch? So these are all your interrogative adjectives, right? They are used with nouns to ask questions. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective shows possession, means ownership, and they answer the question whose. Kindly note, they are not pronouns because we place them before nouns and not in the place of a noun. Okay? My, our, your, his, her, its, they. These are all your possessive adjective. Just see the example. That is my house. You are placing it with this noun, my house. Okay? I am talking about her cat. Whose cat? Her cat. So these are all your possessive adjectives. They show possession. They shows ownership. Distributive adjectives, they are used to refer to each and every person or thing separately, right? They refer to each and everything or a person separately. They are normally used with singular nouns. Each, every, any, one, both, either, neither. These are all your distributive adjectives. Okay? You can use each, either, neither if with plural noun is followed by of, right? They can be used with plural noun if it is followed by of, such as see here, each of the girls wore a hat. So each is followed with of, and this is now a plural noun. Is the concept clear? For more details, just switch on to the video of the adjectives and there you can find in details. Now, proper adjectives. Adjectives are actually these proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns only. The proper nouns actually are in fact the origin of the proper adjectives, and you should capitalize them when you're writing them. Suppose if you're writing a proper noun which is Canada, so now when you're making it into a proper adjective, it will become Canadian, India, Indian, right? So these proper adjectives actually they are the origin from the proper noun itself. Okay, now let's do this revision sheet. You have to fill in the blanks with adjectives, means the kinds of adjectives which are given in the bracket. You have to fill all these blanks using them. The first one is dash house is yours. You have to fill it up with interrogative adjective. So fill up the interrogative adjective. Dash house is yours. You can say which house is yours, isn't it? Dash time is it? What time is it? I'm talking about dash dog, possessive adjective. I'm talking about her dog. Are you getting it? Dash grapes are sour, demonstrative adjective. These grapes are sour. Dash mango is ripe. This mango is ripe. We have dash cats, adjective of number. We have 2 cats. Is the concept clear? My uncle has dash cars. My uncle has 3 cars. Right? You're filling it with the adjective of number. Then my mother bought dash sugar yesterday. My mother bought some sugar. Okay? There is not dash milk in the jug. Adjective quantity, much milk in the jug. Ashok was a dash king. You have to fill it up with the adjective of quality. What kind of king this Ashok was? He was a kind king. My puppy is dash. You have to fill up with adjective of quality. So, my puppy is black. You're telling the quality. Sachin is an dash player. You have to fill it up with a proper adjective. Sachin is an Indian player. I love dash food. I love Chinese food. I love Indian food. Monday is the dash day of the week. You have to fill up with the adjective of number. Monday is the first day of the week. Is it clear to you? Now this is a practice time for you. Go through the sentences and leave your answers in the comment box. The first one is the dash children are naughty. You have to fill up with the demonstrative adjective. Second was I have dash pens in my box. Adjective of number. Saturday is the dash day of the week. Adjective of number. Dash time is it by your watch. Interrogative adjective. Dash book is on the table. Possessive adjective. Mrs. Ritu is a dash woman. Adjective of quality. Dash apples are rotten. Adjective of quantity. Dash cars are wonderful. Proper adjective. So do all these sentences and please reply in the comment box.